How to add music to your Messenger notes. Hello everyone, if you want to add some music to your Messenger notes, now this step is extremely simple. You simply want to head over to your App Store or Google Play Store depending on the device that you are using. From here, you simply want to go ahead and search for Messenger, because in order to do this method, we need to have the latest version of Messenger installed to our devices. Right after updating the Messenger application, you can just go ahead and open it up. And once inside Messenger, you simply want to click on the Post a Note button. From here, this menu or screen will show up. Inside, you want to click on the Note button or the music icon. And from here, we now have all of these music to choose from. You can also go ahead and search your music if you want to. And lastly, if you want to go ahead and add some music to your notes, you can just go ahead and click on any one of these musics right here and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.